Hi, this is David Bliven, Bronx and Westchester divorce attorney with another episode of Lessons from the Divorce Wars. So this lesson comes in where I was just recently having this discussion with a client, so it's a good thing for people to keep in mind when they're going through a divorce case, which is if you're not a millionaire or something darn close to it, divorce attorneys are really expensive, especially in the greater New York City area. So what you want to do is discuss with your attorney ways to keep costs down. Here's one thing that I discussed with my client this week. So I said, look, I just got years of financial records. And we're talking, I got 3 years of tax returns. Those are relatively easy to review. They don't take that much time, except, there's exceptions, obviously. There could be very extensive returns and corporate returns. But this was a normal case, got a 1040, so it doesn't take that much time to review a 1040, right? So, bottom line is, I got tax returns, I got 3+ years of bank statements, I got 3 years worth of retirement and investment account statements, 3 years of credit card statements, and a boatload of other documentation pursuant to my standard demand for discovery and inspection, right? Okay. So my client doesn't have a ton of money, and I truthfully had to say to her, look, in my humble experience, if I reviewed all of that stuff, that's going to cost thousands of dollars. It's just reality. It's going to take many, many hours for me to review that, and based on my billing rate, do the math. That's how much it's going to be. However, I said to her, look, you don't make a ton of money, no offense to you. Why don't I just start with reviewing 1 year worth of financials and see if I find something? Because she said, look, I think my husband is hiding income or assets. I'm really not sure. He might be on the money, and if so, we'll just settle on a split of what he has and do alimony based on the amount of money he says he has on the books. And that might be a fair and just resolution of a given case. But because she wasn't sure, she wanted me to take a look. So I said, those are your options. Rather than spend $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 reviewing these many years worth of financials, I'll review 1 year worth of financials for maybe $1,000 or $2,000 and let you know what I think so far. If I haven't found much of anything, you're the client, you're the captain of the ship. You'll guide what I do, but it may not be worthy of spending your hard-earned money, paying your divorce attorney to go on a wild goose chase and may not find anything. They may get to the end, review 3 or 4 or 5 years worth of financial records and find no hidden income or assets whatsoever. And then you're literally going to have spent all that money on your divorce attorney and wind up in the exact same place. But only worse off financially because you just paid your attorney for the pleasure of that wild goose chase. So, have that discussion with your attorney. See if there's ways that they can limit what they're doing to still get you to the same place. Because obviously that client's still interested in finding out whether there's some hidden income and assets there, but can't spend a boatload of money getting to that place, right? So have that discussion. That's the lesson. If you're looking for other answers to similar questions like this, check out my blog. You'll find it at blivenlaw.net/blog. See you next time.